Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a special edition video for you, specifically because Jim asked us to give you this special message. I'm sure you guys have heard us talking about the annual Wealth Summit before in our videos and in the content we've released in the past. The annual Wealth Summit is something that we host every year. It's going to be in Las Vegas this year, as you can see by the lovely photo behind me. So Lea and I today are going to talk to you guys a little bit what it is about and what it is and why you should come. So
so the annual Wealth Summit, this is the 4th year that we've been hosting it.
Yes.
It's a really big deal. It's going to be great. This is our first year hosting it in Vegas.
Yes.
And some of you, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to our services, you may not know exactly what that means.
Yes.
So we're just going to tell you a little bit about it. So it is a 2-day seminar where we're going to give you all of our trade secrets and our information to be successful in your finances.
For sure.
So while everybody else is out in the casinos gambling, you're going to find out the tried and true ways to actually make money.
Yeah. So don't let the Vegas thing fool you. We're not going there to risk all our money and gamble it all away. We're not even going to focus on gambling, to be honest. It's really just about financial wealth making and the ways that you can improve in the new year and long after you leave Vegas.
Absolutely. And Jim's going to be there hosting it.
Yes.
Along with Jordan Bishop.
Yes.
We'll be there.
Yes, we will be there.
And we'll be there just to give you guys the tips on how to make real money.
Yeah. And we're looking forward to meet you guys there as well. But we do have more bonuses for you if that's not enough.
Yeah, so on top of the content, there's going to be a whole lot of bonuses and exclusive content that's only for people at the seminar. One of those that we've mentioned a few times before is our book that's coming out. The official release is actually going to be when we're in Vegas, which is very exciting. So the only time that you can get this book is at the seminar.
Yes.
And along with that, you'll get Riches from God and How to Legally Cheat $2,000 a month out of the system, which is by Jordan Bishop. And all of us will be there signing the books, and you get that all for free.
Yes, you do get a free signed copy, get to come meet us. We'll hang out with you guys and definitely talk about the books and everything else, but it's a great little bonus that if you do come out and meet us, we'd love to see you guys there.
Absolutely. So that's one of the many bonuses that you get out of the weekend. And all of these are all about how to make real money in the world. So they kind of go along with our theme for the weekend.
Yes.
And so right now is the perfect time to reserve your seat.
Yes.
It just went on sale. Fills up fast. So
very fast. It's very exclusive. We only have so many seats open, and we really want to make sure that as many of you can get there as possible. So definitely take advantage of it while you can. We're really just going to be talking about how to make your money multiply. The thing that we say around the office is Jim really hates gambling. He just loves Vegas.
Yes.
So we're really just going to try and get that destination under our belts and, meet you guys that are over out on the West Coast, or even if you just want to come out and meet us over there. We're definitely looking forward to that, and it's not about gambling.
No, absolutely not. But it is just a really great venue. We're going to be in one of the top hotels in
on the
Vegas.
Strip.
So it'll just be a really fun venue, especially at Christmas time.
For sure, yeah. I'm super excited.
Yeah. So that's coming up fast. It's December 7th and 8th,
yes,
right?
the first weekend in December.
Yeah. So while everybody else is out gambling, we're going to be in our wonderful venue teaching you guys about the real profits.
Yes.
And in addition to all of the extra bonuses that you're going to get throughout the weekend, for a limited time only, we're offering you guys the chance to get a $100 check when you meet us in Vegas if you reserve your ticket in the next 3 days.
Yes, so that is obviously a very short time frame. We are trying to bring that to you as fast as possible so you can take advantage of it. And if you play your cards right, you can reimburse yourself on your flight or your hotel, anything that you'd like. And we'd like to meet you there to hand you that $100 check when you show up in Vegas.
Absolutely. So lots of really great bonuses. And then on top of that, throughout this, up until it fills up, we're offering you guys the amazing opportunity to get your ticket for free.
Yes.
So Taylor, I don't know if you want to tell everybody how that works.
Yeah, of course. So if you do decide to come meet us in Vegas, which we sincerely hope that you do, there is a way that you can pay back yourself for your ticket, essentially. We'll give you a link to sell your own tickets to people, your friends, your family, any colleagues, coworkers, anyone who you think would be interested in joining us. Every ticket that you sell, you get $200 off of your ticket. If you get 10 people to come, your ticket's free. Yeah. So that's your entire office break room. If you get them all to join you, that's a free ticket to Vegas for you. And if you get 20 people to come, we write you a check for $2,000. So we highly encourage you to try and beat that metric and to challenge us on that. And we really want to see you there and to bring your friends and family with you so we can all enjoy everything that we can learn from this weekend together.
Absolutely. Yeah, we just really want to bring you guys all of this knowledge.
Yes.
We want to get to meet you all and all of
For
your friends
sure,
and families.
yes.
So, this is a really great opportunity that helps us bring more of you in so that we can meet you all, give you copies of our books and lots of other exclusive content.
Yes.
So if you do want to reserve your ticket, just go on to mywealthsummit.com.
Yes, very easy.
Which we've got up here behind us. Yes. So if you go onto that website, you can reserve your ticket, get everything ready to go.
Everything that we've just said, yep.
Yeah, so we cannot wait to see you guys.
Yeah, we're super excited. Don't forget, mark your calendars, the first weekend in December, mywealthsummit.com. We can't wait to see you there.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.